If you want to translate anything from physical document to another language, I mean if it is a photo, document or any physical present, for example a banner or a pamphlet, something like that, we can do that. So just click the plus, and if it is a document or something, select files and select the document. If it is a photo, select the photo. And if you lively want to translate something, you can choose camera. So for example, I don't know what here it says on the piano flash drive, so I want to translate this. I don't know the language, source language, but I want to translate this to English. Let's see. So just click the camera and capture the photo, roughly capture the photo. We can crop it later. So just like that, and click the crop and crop the thing you want. So just like that, and attach. If you don't know the source language, it doesn't matter. Just type the language you want to translate to. I mean, type the destination language. For me, I want to translate this to English, so I just type translate to English, just like that, and search. So it gives a tabular column like this. I mean the first point, second point, we have here 6 points, something like that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Yeah. So it's splitted like this. Here it's mentioned on the point. That's it. So it gives me two options because I am using English and Tamil. So this is English and this is Tamil, two languages. If you want a paragraph, like, you just type translate as paragraph. So here we go. It's just translated to paragraph. This is first way. Now the second way is if you want to know any word meaning, particularly if you want to know the meaning of any a term or idioms or something you don't understand, that you just type the word. For example, I just type desperation. I just type desperation meaning in Spanish and make it as tabular column. So I just type like this and send. So here we go. So this is our future and detail. So here you can see pronunciation, common synopsis, everything. So this is one way. Every time if you want to translate from one language to another language, you just type here. When I type, you need to translate this language to this language and keep that in mind.